Hello everyone, and welcome back to this video about Aomei Cloner, a powerful and easy-to-use cloning software for all your disk and system migration needs. In this video, we'll explore every feature this software has to offer, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to easily clone your drives step by step. So hit that subscribe button and let's go. To begin, open your browser and head over to the official Aomei Cloner website. On the landing page, you'll find a detailed overview of the software's features, including step-by-step guides and supported use cases. This tool is very user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface, and it's designed for users who want to perform disk cloning tasks quickly and with minimal hassle. It supports a variety of cloning functions, such as cloning entire disks, individual partitions, or even the system drive itself. You can use this software if you are upgrading to a larger disk, replacing an old hard drive, or simply want to migrate your data from an HDD to an SSD reliably and without data loss. Once downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Before I try out the software, I want to quickly show you how many drives are currently installed on my system. I have a 240GB drive, which is my system drive where Windows is installed, and another 480GB drive, which I'll be using to perform all the cloning tasks with Aomei Cloner. Let's give it a try then and see how it works in practice. Now, it's important to note that you're going to need a license to fully activate the software, as the free version comes with limited functionality. Thanks to Aomei for providing the serial number for this demo. If you've already purchased a license, click the Register button located in the top menu and enter your license key to unlock the full version. This will enable all features and ensure the software runs without any restrictions or limitations. Let's perform a system clone as our first task. This feature allows you to clone your entire system drive, including the operating system, installed programs, and all system settings, to another drive. It's especially useful if you're planning to upgrade your primary drive or want to create a full system backup. In the cloning window, you only need to select the destination drive, which in my case is Disk 1, the 480GB SSD. Make sure to double-check your selection to avoid overwriting the wrong drive. Since the destination is an SSD, don't forget to check the SSD alignment checkbox. This option ensures that the partitions are properly aligned for SSDs, which improves performance, extends drive lifespan, and ensures overall data integrity. When everything is set, click the Start Clone button to begin the process. Depending on the amount of data on your source drive, this might take a while, so I'll fast forward through it for now. Now that the cloning process is complete, let's check the drives. Everything looks okay and this appears to be a successful clone. I'll now reboot the system and boot from the newly cloned drive. After restarting, everything looks good and the system has loaded correctly. As you can see, the system is now running from the 480GB drive, just as expected. Moving on to the next task, I will now perform a disk clone using the exact same two disks as before. To start, click on the Disk Clone option in the main menu. Then, select the source disk. This is the drive you want to copy data from. And after that, choose the destination disk, where the data will be cloned to. Once again, make sure to check the SSD alignment checkbox if your target disk is an SSD. This helps ensure that the partitions are properly aligned, which can significantly improve performance and extend the lifespan of the SSD. This process will copy the entire contents of the source drive, including all partitions, data, and boot information, to the new drive. In this case, I'm using my system drive as the source, but you can choose any drive you want depending on your needs. Now, I'll reboot the system and boot directly from the newly cloned drive to test it out. It looks like everything went smoothly, and once again, we have a successful clone. Similarly, I will try the partition cloning feature now. The process is very similar to the previous cloning tasks. First, select the source partition that you want to clone, then choose the destination partition where the data will be copied. Don't forget to check the SSD alignment option if your destination is an SSD, as this helps optimize performance and maintain data integrity. Once everything is set, start the cloning process and wait for it to complete. Let's check our drives now to see the result. This time, the situation is a bit different because I only cloned one specific partition instead of the entire disk, so you'll notice that only that partition's data has been duplicated. And that's all for today's demo. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support really helps this channel grow.